Yeah, don't hit.
Mark him shield. I will call to hit on shield also.
They're here.
Hey,
They're all
by the way,
No,
I
you're
don't
my-
think a potato count clone. He's playing college, bro.
Yeah, coach.
Yeah, how is he gonna climb?
He plucked it.
what?
That's right.
Yeah, he's gonna just climb and Bumpus is gonna die. He's gonna die. Like, if I drop the on the fucking, the guy, he's gonna die, you know? The second party.
Just let him die. Just let him die.
Hey, give me Typhon
Ready?
access. Typhon access, Typhon access. Come southwest, southwest.
Wait. Told them to wait. Tell them to wait.
Something, sir. Something for the body. We go upstairs when we're riding. Is it ready? Are they gonna catch us immediately or not?
No moment.
This way, wait. Did you mark that on it? Just hold. Go east side, go east. Everyone go east. Everyone go east. Ready on the wall, okay? On the wall, ready? It's a fake, ready on me. 3, 2, 1, hit on me over the wall. Okay, now come back. Keep fighting it. Don't roll. Side east. We're gonna burn the side. Side east. Ready or gate path, okay? Kill the front. We will engage on front. Ready? Gate path, walk in now. Gate path. Come on. Walk in. Find me. Walk in, guys. Find me. Ready on me in 3, 2, 1, hit me. Okay, then come east, then go upstairs. Can you use W the one inside of me? They're looking. Keep going upstairs. Ready?
Fallen.
No, I'm fallen.
Holland.
Control, I'm gonna kill my... Yes, Lord, are you good?
We're gonna start.
They're looking
start.
at it. Is this ready? Okay, it's ready. Come on. After they engage, we walk in backline. Ready? Just wait. Guys, don't climb, guys. Ready, walk in backline. Walk in enemy backline. Come backline, guys. Keep walking in. Ready your potion on your hand. Okay, ready? Find me. Ready on me, guys. 3. Wait. 2, 1. Hit on me, headbutt. Hit on me. Why you guys? Oh my god, why you guys have fucking potion, bro? Just roll them. Come. Roll them. How long for next engage? Roll them, guys. Roll them. How long for next? Ready? They're looking. Careful. Potion. Find me. In 3, 2, 1. Hit on ground. Big on ground, guys. Hello? Yeah, what the fuck is going on, bro? Just kill this one. Yeah, we can kill even one. Oh my god. Find the ground, guys. Walk in, blow them.
You kill the backline.
How long for next engage?
I don't see all the shit.
I'm ready.
Marune, can you mark the color?
Already, let me already now.
Ready, go. Get me.
Yeah, color is marked. Left is the color. Whoa.
Give myself a shield, bro. Use ISO to give me armor. What?
Guys,
Broken
just walk
shit,
in
bro.
on the backline.
Spread this
Spread.
Spread out.
Is it ready?
Quick.
Walk in the back line. Walk in the back line. Go back line. Go back line. Go back line. Build the back line. Ready on me. 3, 2, 1. Hit on me. Big. Hit on me. Big. Hit it. Spread out, guys. Spread out. Big part now. Big part walking. Big part. Walking. Big person walking. Walking. Big portion. Big portion. Big portion. Big portion. Just keep walking in. Keep walking in, brother. Keep walking in, brother. Hold on for next. Ready on me. Ready? Look. Okay, find me. On the stairs, upstairs. Ready on the upstairs. 3, 2, 1. Hit it. Big. Yeah, no damage, bro. Okay, spread out ball. Go back line. Go enemy back line. They have engaged. Okay, they have engaged. Guys, declamp, bro. Declamp. Go in their back line. Declamp, bro. 5 seconds, next engage. 5 seconds. Keep walking in. Find me. They're engaging. Ready on me. Ready on me. 3, 2, 1. Hit on crowd. Then brawl them, guys. Brawl them.
Oh,
Just go in the back
come
line,
back.
bro. Wait. Just hold there. Don't need to move. Can you fake lamp? On it? Wait. Okay, they geek part. Wait. Don't slam. Okay, don't slam. Wait. The place is too far. I don't know why. Wait.
Oh, they're looking. Try to engage on their single people.
Single people? No. Just keep walking. Keep stabilizing on this side. The place is too far. I don't know. Take the...
You can shallow.
You want shallow? Okay, wait.
Yeah.
Ready on me, shallow? Oh, they're engaging now. Wait.
Fake.
Okay, just ready on me. Wait. Just hold it. Don't go upstairs. Come back. Don't go upstairs. Come back. Okay, wait on me. Ready on me. Wait. On me in 3, 2, 1. Hit there. Okay, now. Ready, bro? Walk in, bro. Zep is dying. Walk in, bro. Big portion, bro. Big portion. Build them. 90 big song, bro. Just keep walking in. Oh my god, what the fuck? Yeah, just keep walking in. Build the back line. Keep walking in. Find me. Ready on me. On me in 3, 2, 1. Hit here. Everyone is here, bro. Oh my god, what is that? Why did you do? No. I believe die. Yeah, just keep walking. Oh, are we supposed to kill them or not? Kill, bro.
They're gonna take you.
Oh, they're engaging. Oh, yeah, walking. Just walking. Ready? Wait. North side. Okay, north side. Find me north side. North side. Ready on me? Ready? On me in 3, 2, 1. Hit me, bro. Nice. Roll them. Keep walking, roll them. Careful, they're looking, Earthworm looking. Can you mark Bloodwell? Bloodwell looking. Bloodwell is the second color, okay. Careful. Ready on me? Ready, DPS? Find me. DPS.
Leading on feet.
Yeah. Wait. Engaging, bro. Ready, find me. Headbutt on me. Ready on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit it. Good shit. Now brawl them. Keep walking with them.
They're walking off.
Yeah. Keep walking in. Ready? 3 seconds engage, okay? 3 seconds engage.
Leading city, leading city.
Right on the stairs. They're looking. Ready on me. Headbutt. 3, 2, 1. Headbutt on me. Just hit on me. Hit on me. Okay, nice. Roll them. Keep walking, roll them. Guys, their engage is too fucking predictable. Why are you dying, bro? I don't have defensive. I'm not. Keep walking in. 2 seconds engage. Keep walking in. Deep engage, okay? Really deep inside of them. Ready on me? 3, 2, 1. Hit. Kill the healer. Just roll them. They're running. Roll them. Okay, is it GG, right?
This is
Did you
GG.
not kill them? Oh, GG. See, bro, even some unbeaten control.
Yeah, we won.
There is not. Don't forget to Mister. Spread. I'm going in. Ready? Hindi na. Ready? Ready. Okay, wait. Hold on me, okay? This is double. Okay, wait.
Perfect.
Okay. Okay, ready? Walk in now. Walk in. Walking rapidly. Ready on me on the stairs. 3, 2, 1. Hit on stairs. Nice. 2, and spread. They're looking at spread, guys. Spread. Don't let them go up. Hold them chicken. Okay, don't go up.
Left engage. Left engage,
Don't go up.
They're looking.
Oh, wait. I think they're engaging on me. Wait. I can cover the wall for some. Hey, don't go upstairs. Okay, nice. Wait, they're engaging, huh? Wait. Stay here. He looking. Okay, now walk.
Siya engaging me.
Walking potion. DPS ready on me. 2, 1. Keep on choke. Just walking ball. Walking ball, guys. Find me. 10 seconds. Okay, wait. Just keep rolling. Keep
Everyone on the top, use the shoes.
Keep walking in. DPS ready on me. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Hit on me. Just keep here.
You are too far down.
Spread. Oh my god. Roll them. Somebody boy! Roll them there, promise. Keep walking in. Roll them on this east side. Roll them on the east side. DPS ready? East side ready on me. 3, 2, 1. Hit me. From here. It's spread. Use double is the healer inside of you. They're looking, huh? They're looking. Spread. Careful.
Oh no!
Spread, guys. Oh no! Walking. Walking, find me, walking. Ready on me? Ready? 3, 2, 1. Hit on down. Wait. Can you Eric? Nice. Spread. Just go behind them, bro. No need to worry. Just go behind them. Looking out. The place about 26. Very much practice. Go behind them. Ready your potion. Push now. Potion, bro. Potion. Okay, find me. On me. 3, 2, 1. Just hit on the crab. Hit on the clan. Hit on me, bro. Hit on me. Nice. Just keep walking in. Bro, them. Kill the log, bro. So many log. I see so many log, bro. Can you kill the log? We don't have engage. Okay, we have. Never mind. Can you kite it. Stabilize this. Ready on me? 3,
10 seconds
2,
per play.
1. Hit round. Yeah, go east now. Go east. Too many. Go east.